Superstar Rajinikanth ruled out his entry into politics. Thalaivar has dissolved his outfit Rajni Makkal Mandram that was set up in 2018 after his announcement that he would enter politics. The association is now going to continue as a fans welfare group. Rajni met with the office bearers of the association after he said that there were several queries on whether he would ever enter politics. Rajni returned to Chennai just a few days ago from America, where he had gone for his medical treatment. In a statement that was issued today, Rajni said there had been many questions on that forum, what it stood for. It also added that he will be holding a meeting with the members of Rajni Makkal Mandram, will announce his decision, whether he will be entering politics or not after that. On December 29, 2020, months ahead of the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections, Rajni laid to rest speculation about his big political entry when he announced he's not going to be entering politics, citing his health.
நான் வந்து அரசியலுக்கு வரப்போவதில்லை வர முடியல அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுக்கப்புறம் நான் வந்து என்னுடைய மக்கள் மன்ற நிர்வாகிகளையோ ரசிகர்களையோ யாரையும் சந்திக்க முடியல. ஏன்னா வந்து அண்ணாத்த ஷூட்டிங் கொஞ்சம் லேட் ஆச்சு. அண்ணாத்த ஷூட்டிங் முடிச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் எலெக்ஷன் எல்லாம் வந்த பிறகு அதுக்கப்புறம் கொரோனா வந்துச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னுடைய வந்து மெடிக்கல் செக்கப்புக்காக நான் அமெரிக்கா போயிட்டு இப்போ நான் வந்திருக்கேன். மக்கள் மன்றத்தில் வந்துட்டு மக்கள் மன்றத்தை வந்து தொடரலாமா, அதில் பணி என்ன அப்படிங்கிற கேள்வியெல்லாம் மக்கள் மன்ற நிர்வாகிகள் ரசிகர்கள் எல்லாருக்குமே இருக்குது. அண்ட் நானும் வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட்டு வந்து அரசியலுக்கு வரப்போகிறேன்னா ஃப்யூச்சரில் இல்லையா அப்படி கேள்வியெல்லாம் இருக்குது. அது நிர்வாகிக்கிட்ட அவங்ககிட்ட நான் பேசி முடிச்சுட்டு உங்ககிட்ட நான் தொடர்பில் விட்டுறேன்.
Pramod Madhav reporting from Chennai is joining us. Pramod, we always knew that he's not entering politics. Right before the Tamil Nadu Assembly elections too, he had announced that particular decision that his foray into politics had turned out to be a bit of a damn squib at that point of time too. But now he is dissolving his political party into a fans welfare association. What does that even mean, and what does it even entail?
Well, it only means that only Rajinikanth can keep a full stop for a full stop, and this is how he has done it. This is a statement, and this statement, even before that, he met the press here and he said that there are several questions in the mind of the people and the fans about the future of Rajinikanth Makkal Mandram, that is the political arm, and also whether he's going to enter politics or not. Because back in 2020, he said that he's not entering active politics, but he will give some kind of extension support to any party, depending on his idea at that point. But for now, he has very clearly mentioned that considering the situation and the that they could not implement whatever he wanted to do, so that is like overhauling of system, to remove the corrupt system. He has gone ahead and decided to not enter politics and convert or reconvert Rajinikanth Makkal Mandram to the fan club, which it was already once again, thereby keeping a full stop to his full stop itself.
Well, full stop to the full stop. I like the way you say it, Pramod. Let's get our viewers up to speed with Thalaivar's political dash and how it all panned out. Let's bring that up on your screens right now. Backed the DMK in 1996. Backed Kaveri Water Stir in 2002. Backed the BJP AIA DMK in 2004. Met Prime Minister Modi ahead of the 2014 Lok Sabha polls. That was his political dash, expressed political plunge plan in 2017. If you remember, launched the Rajni Makkal Mandram also in 2017. In 2020, predicted party launch before the 2021 Assembly polls. 29 December 2020, cited ill health, ended the poll plans at that point of time because wasn't keeping well. On 12 July 2021, dissolved the Makkal Mandram, and now it is a fans welfare association.